Hey what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं ट्रायम्फ एंड हार्ले डेविडसन के शोरूम में. एक्चुअली मेरा एक दोस्त है, उसको एक बाइक लेना है एंड ही इज़ कन्फ्यूज्ड बिटवीन टू मोटरसाइकिल्स. वन इज़ द न्यू स्पीड T4 and the other one is हार्ले डेविडसन 440X. सो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं दोनों शोरूम में. दोनों बाइक्स की हम लोग टेस्ट राइड लेंगे. उसने मुझे और अमोक को भी बुलाया है, सो तीनों जाने वाले हैं साथ में एंड वी गोना डिसाइड विच बाइक विल बी बेटर फॉर हिम. Actually the guy who is buying the motorcycle is not a bike enthusiast. He just want a motorcycle for his day to day riding. जो हमारा डेली नीड्स रहता है उसके लिए उसको एक नॉर्मल सी बाइक चाहिए. सो राइड फुटेज लेने के लिए मैंने पूरा सेटअप रेडी किया है अपने हेलमेट पे एंड देखेंगे कि वो लोग अलाउ करते हैं या नहीं टू रिकॉर्ड ऑन द टेस्ट राइड मोटरसाइकिल. फ़िलहाल मैं अभी मयूरेश के घर जा रहा हूँ, वहाँ से हम लोग बाद में कार से जाएंगे. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गो. So route किधर?
Straight on. Circle halfway.
होय.
Circle halfway stand you can take till Manipal.
ओके.
Right वर रे काय नाही.
Oh.
Manipal road आप University road you can take that. Only 1% can afford.
ओके.
Only 1%. मेरा वगैरह का background डालूँ ना. हाँ okay okay. So because of the customer safety हमने नहीं दो. Actually we allow on other bike.
Okay, so Harley 440X. Let's ride this beast. Okay, the riding posture is comfortable. The foot pegs, the handlebar, I'm sitting very comfortable, but the engine is kind of very raw, I would say. It is not on the smoother side. It is kind of very raw. Vibrations है इस गाड़ी में बहुत, and exhaust note is also pretty nice. I think this bike produces around 26 bhp. Torque figures I don't know. In a long term, like after sales, इसका कैसा क्या होने वाला है मुझे नहीं पता, बट चलाने को तो बाइक बढ़िया है, कंफर्टेबल है. इंजन थोड़ा सा रॉ है, वाइब्रेशंस है गाड़ी में, बट या दैट इज़ फाइन. हार्ले डेविडसन. Okay, while turning I can feel the weight of the motorcycle. While taking the turn I can feel the weight. Okay. Bike is not that flickable. I can literally feel the weight of the motorcycle. अगर आप इसको तेज भगाते हो तो ये बाइक इंस्टेंट आपका कंट्रोल में नहीं आ सकती. इट इज़ नॉट दैट फ्लिकेबल. यू नो, while turning I can feel a lot of weight. Motorcycle is not that powerful, man. Like it is okay like. See, while turning it is little bit difficult. On the summer, but that is the problem while turning. अभी अमोक बोल रहा है कि जावा शोरूम में जाएंगे.
I mean, bro, it's just 200 meters. Let's just have a look at least.
जाएंगे चलो.
Price range same है. Almost power range and all those figures also same. So let's try तो करेंगे ना.
Yes, okay.
पण जावा मंडई पर जावा ताईली पर पुढे. That's a sign, bro. Let's go to Java.
Okay. It's a Perak, no?
Yeah. So we went for the test drive of
Harley Davidson
first, and उसके बाद हम, as you saw, कि we went for Java to check out the Java. So Harley, Rakesh.
See, the bike is good for a beginner. Riding posture is very comfortable, but I feel the engine is very raw. और
it is a Harley after all. Like वो characteristic है Harley का.
लॉन्ग टर्म में इंजन कैसा क्या परफॉर्म करेगा आई डोंट नो अबाउट आफ्टर सेल्स ऑल्सो, बट थोड़ा फ्लिकेबल. यू गॉट द पॉइंट, राइट?
हाँ, like I have shown in my video as well कि थोड़ा मैं फ्लिक करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, बट बाइक बिल्कुल फ्लिक नहीं हो रही है. And even on if you're carrying higher speeds and you're trying to take a turn, bike is restricting you from catching the line to take the turn. So that is Harley. Oh, Mayuresh, tu sang. Yeah, I know you are a first time rider, but it is perfect for the vlog, as this vlog is for first time riders. So
Harley is good, but it's not as good as the second bike which we saw.
yeah. So the second bike we just entered, and it was not on the list actually. We randomly just entered the showroom because nazdik tha. And as we entered, we fell in love with the bikes first, looks wise. And okay, we are getting a call, so we'll get back to you. Okay. So after the call, so the next showroom we went to was Java HD. We entered the showroom and we saw those bikes. Looks wise, perfect. All the bikes, the 600 DSA, HD, अपना Bobber and Parak.
The thing is, Mayuresh fell in love with the
Just like
Bobber 42 मरे.
Bobber 42, and bro, even I fell in love with that bike, bro. किधे दिसताली थी.
Too good, bro. Just like her.
So yeah, we test drove the bike. It was a small test drive. Mayuresh ने थोड़ा बड़ा test drive लिया था, so he'll tell you better compared to the Harley Street. Not Street, 440X.
Compared to the Harley, this Bobber 42 was too good from the start, from the looks.
No, test drive मतलब drive
during the drive also it was good, and the engine was like
smoother.
Not rough, but it was smooth.
The only gripe he had was the exhaust का वो आवाज नहीं आ रहा था, like Harley का आ रहा था.
There is no
thump नहीं था, वो bass नहीं है.
But I think after the engine and the pipes and all heat थोड़ा बहुत आ सकता है.
And apart from that, ground clearance थोड़ा कम है, but
mean,
Bike is,
Compared to
yeah,
compared to 440X, how it was like.
Compared to 440 it was good.
It
Too
was
good,
good,
too
right?
good actually. Yeah.
So conclusion आपको समझ में आ गया.
driving wise, yeah.
Driving
Looks
wise,
wise.
The
look
thing
wise.
is 440X is good, but the only thing is it is not that flickable.
Yeah.
वो
Correct.
गाड़ी उसका वेट मिडल में ही रहता है. Like if you want to flick
It
that
wants
bike,
to go straight.
yeah.
Like turns, नहीं, it wants to go straight. Like वैसा है उसका character. And I think it is a Harley character after all.
हार्ले कहेगा वो उसको blame नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
Bike is good. Bike is like.
Bike is good.
Yeah.
And again, we test drove the 440X, which is like 23-24 model.
Hmm.
They are gonna get the 25 model soon. It's next week or so. So that might be a difference, but sales boy said it's just cosmetic differences, ne?
Yeah. Only
Mechanical
cause
kind of.
engine and everything is same.
So I think that it would be similar. Carnival is right? Kenna?
Carnival.
Okay. So yeah, now
Yeah,
we
now
are
we are-
heading to the Triumph showroom and to test out the
T4,
Speed
T4.
T4 and I don't know, Scrambler.
Scrambler also, yeah, we are going that side, so we'll just check.
Have a look, yeah.
And if anyone is looking for Royal Enfield 350, anything in that range, then you all should give a try for this also, Bobber 42.
Yes.
Correct.
Just give a try.
True that.
And the looks, like the
True
first
that. I
thing
think
is,
give a try to
It's
that.
a very underrated bike.
yeah,
very,
underrated
very,
bike.
very like fit and finish, quality, everything.
Now
was too good.
they have improved the
हाँ,
build
previous
quality and everything.
first batch में थोड़ा that build quality issue was there.
Engine paint was peeling
Paint
off.
was peeling off. We have mentioned it in our video as
Yes.
well. But now they have improved it a lot. So yeah, just go and give it a shot if you have a Java showroom near your city.
So see you guys in the Triumph.
Yes.
I'm in love with this bike. Tiger 900.
If we are buying together this bike.
This bike. Bro, इतनी light है. Literally.
This display is bigger than your car.
ना माशी दाखवतो.
Oh shit.
इतके 17 म्हटलं मला त्याने.
17 legs.
handlebar, we are in 6th gear. Nobody pushing the bike. Bike is rolling.
Crazy.
We'll try it and see.
Mayuresh is taking a test ride of the Triumph Speed T4. So here is the T4. Mayuresh, how was it? आवडली?
Yeah. So change काय येणार आहे?
हां.
Similar दिसतं like.
I'll ride it and see as a Speed 400 owner how it is. So let's go. It is like a toy. It is like a toy. Flickable चड flickable Okay. That character is still there in the motorcycle. Once you open the throttle, the bike is ready to go. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Okay. Lot of vibration, I would say. A lot of vibration. I don't know if this is with the test ride bike or the new bike will be different. I don't know, but there is a lot of vibration on this thing. इतना तो स्पीड 400 पे भी नहीं है. And pickup wise, it is good. I mean, 30 bhp is more than enough for you to have fun. It will not bore you. But yeah, थोड़ा सा है, रॉ है इंजन थोड़ा. like I am in the 5th gear. Let's open the throttle now. Yeah, it pulls really well. Okay, for Mayuresh I think this will be good. झाले?
Underpowered.
It is good. Exhaust note is like same like speed 400. Power असं मरे bro.
बहुत कम आहे. तू अंगच्यान काढली पळय ऑन आमरे.
होय.
तू अंगच्यान काढली पळय बाईक त्याच्यात वयल्यान
Speed 400. Okay.
तू अंगच्यान काढली त्याच्या वयल्यान.
And this one has more vibrations.
No, maybe it's not service. Otherwise, वैसे तो मैंने कभी कोई शमन सर से बना
हाँ, और
पूरा क्लियर कट देते हो मेरे को.
इसमें ही होगा ना वो टेस्ट राइड बाइक में ही होगा ना.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये रफ इधर.
हाँ, that's what. तो अभी हमने टेस्ट राइड ले लिया है T4 का. मयूरेश ने भी लिया.
स्पीड का भी एंड स्क्रैम्बलर का भी.
Okay, तीनों बाइक्स इसने चलाया. अभी ना मयूरेश टेल मी आज तुमने टोटल 3 बाइक चलाया है. चार
नो
पाच बाइक्स.
पांच
No,
बाइक्स. एक
ट्रायम्फच धर ना का सगळं धर.
3 ट्रायम्फ,
एक
एक जावा,
हाँ.
एक हार्ली.
ओके. सो अभी तुम्हारा क्या डिसीजन है?
सो उसमें
क्या
तो अभी
हाँ डिसीजन नहीं बट थॉट क्या है एज अ फर्स्ट
थॉट्स
टाइम.
मतलब उसमें से हार्ली जो है वो एलिमिनेट होता है.
ओके.
हार्ली वी कैन एलिमिनेट.
व्हाई इज दैट?
Okay, because I didn't means compared to all these other bikes.
Okay.
या
So
I
it's a
felt
good
Harley
bike.
was- yeah, Harley is a
don't
good
get us
bike.
wrong. It's a
Yeah.
good bike.
It's a good bike, but not what we are looking for.
Yeah.
This is our perspective.
Oh,
So yeah, Harley we
Harley,
can eliminate
yeah.
because we can't buy all bikes. No, something or other we'll have to eliminate.
और अपना भी टेस्ट रहता है ना.
Correct.
So
apart
because see
from
we liked HD का build quality finish, उसका lightness, that all
Java
is preferred.
बता दो.
हाँ Java. That all was preferred over the Harley. That is one thing. Harley का we liked its exhaust, its look. It also looked nice.
Yeah.
As a stealth black color and ती बरीच दिसताली. And plus what do you say, the exhaust sound was nice.
Correct.
Plus I think on a highway it would be a good bike to just
Yeah,
like, go
but
boom.
our
But for
requirement
city
is
use and
city
all,
and daily.
yeah, and as Mayuresh is a first time rider, I feel the SD was a bit more easy to ride. So coming to Triumph, bro.
Coming to Triumph, I
We'll
think
talk about T4 first.
Yeah.
T4 से किती म्हणता तू सांग?
T4 was a good bike. It's a easy to ride bike. Transition wise also from pleasure to T4, it's a good
You
bike.
will get pleasure now.
Pleasure was not giving me pleasure.
Yeah, that's what he actually texted me on WhatsApp. He's like, bro, pleasure is not giving me pleasure. I need a bike. These two guys rode it. I just मतलब बाहर ही निकाला मैंने बस.
So as a speed
Speed
400
400
होगा, T4 is a good bike. Like 30 bhp is a lot actually for a beginner.
True.
Same like Duke 250 also produces 30 bhp,
Bro,
right?
my 411 produces 24.
Yeah, 30
So,
30 bhp is a kind of like power, like आप बोर नहीं होंगे कभी भी. So it is flickable, it is a good bike, but टेस्ट राइड वाला बाइक में क्या हुआ कि उसमें वाइब्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा था. So maybe it is the problem with the test ride bike only, but नया बाइक में
Because it is the same engine as your bike, right?
yes.
So vibration उतना problem नहीं होना चाहिए. So it looks like it was a
Because of test drive,
servicing,
yeah.
हाँ.
टेस्ट राइड या. So नया बाइक में like it will be
And
completely
otherwise,
smooth.
even I found it, मतलब मैंने तो बस बाहर शोरूम से बाहर ही लेके गया, but I found it very similar riding wise to a 400. तुझ्या बायकापासून तर आप होती.
Same same.
So
So-
what did you feel?
Same, but what I felt was Scrambler also I think I should eliminate mainly
हाँ, मेरे
because
T4 चे बोले हमारे स्क्रैम्बलर और पावला डायरेक्ट
अरे तर eliminate करा दे यानू.
एलिमिनेट करत देता. ओके बरं
मला लास्ट टा 10 करून कच्ची बाईक ती सांगे यानू.
बरोबर.
So yeah, Scrambler also I felt it is too big for me. Means it's tall for me and while
Yeah, for a
turning
first time
also first
rider gear bike का थोड़ा
Yeah.
it is not that easy.
That easy, yeah.
Yeah,
They're not
it is
that
manageable.
comfortable.
It is manageable. After a 1 week with the bike, you'll manage
Yeah,
it
that
aram
is
se.
there.
But for daily use, again, his use case is daily use. He's replacing his
Daily use,
scooter daily
yeah.
use के लिए. So for daily use, Scrambler is a
Scrambler doesn't make
bit
sense.
too much, I feel.
And T4 was good, easy with easy transition. I didn't feel I was riding some Triumph bike or anything like.
Geared bike. I
Geared
told you
bike,
the same thing. But geared bike कशी तुका scooter 2H चलेता कशी दिसतली
Correct,
म्हणून.
yeah, with geared scooter type
Ah.
of. And 400 speed. That is good actually compared to
Power-wise.
power wise and everything. It's
It
good.
is more refined.
So as you were saying, कि power wise, you won't get bored of that. Like 5-6 years down the line, you won't get bored of that power. Highway पे भी it will be more than enough for you. Speed.
But I don't know why I'm still stuck at Power 42.
It's see for your use case, daily driven it's 10 kilometers, 10 to 15 kilometers, and monthly once or twice 60 kilometers. That is a good bike actually for your
Yeah.
use case. And plus it is price wise also come in.
Yeah, price was also
Yeah.
it's good. And budget
It is
and
more affordable. And
the
I
looks
think
are also-
you are in
Looks-
love with the
Looks.
42.
Yeah, the looks.
42,
Yeah,
Baba
bro.
42.
Suggest you keep the 42 and 400 in your list for now.
42 and T400. T4 मारे है.
T4 no.
Speed 400.
If तुका budget जायना ले T4 दोवर.
T4 okay.
Because 400 to दवरलेल तर long term तुका काही टेन्शनच ना त्या बायकाचं. Plus Triumph servicing we know how good it is here. At
Yeah.
least in Goa we know how good it is. Like तू है ना experience केला and we
It
know
is
the
very good.
service people also they are very good.
Very good.
And not
Yeah.
because of him only. मेरे other और भी दोस्त है with Triumph bikes. All of them have the same response. Like they have not gone through me. Like पहचान का भी ऐसा कोई नहीं है. But everyone is getting like the same treatment and very nice servicing.
Actually, Triumph Goa showroom, what I felt was they are more hospitable. The people there are
Yes.
very good. Like
Yes.
they come to you, they tell you everything. Even small facts they tell you. And yeah, it's not like
See, choosing any
Others-
bike between like T400, Speed 400 or the Java,
All bikes are good.
All
That is
bikes are
not a
good.
thing. But हमारा use case different होता है. That is the
Yes.
thing. So based on your use case, you can choose the bike.
correct.
What we experience, we have shared with you. So अगर आपका use case वैसा fitting है, then you can choose a particular bike from that after test driving, obviously.
Yeah, test drive is a must.
Yeah, test drive.
Yeah, now over to Rakesh.
So yeah, over to Rakesh, the last company and the bike which you were talking about.
So अभी ये दोनों जाने वाले हैं Honda के like what is that? Ride event.
It is not a ride
Ride
event.
event.
NX 500 test drive के ऊपर छे.
Okay, so there they will test ride Honda
Highness and
Highness
CB, that series,
CB350. So that bike is also a very good beginner bike.
And this guy is not coming for that, so I'll continue the vlog over there. अगर आपको comparison वो भी चाहिए तो you can come out to my channel and check it out.
फिलहाल के लिए आज का conclusion यही था कि
All bikes are good, but
all
your
bikes are
use
good.
case is
Harley out of the
for us.
For
Yeah.
for us.
Scrambler is also out.
Scrambler is also out. T4 Speed and the
42.
the
Java.
Java Bobber 42.
Bobber
Now
42.
let's see if Highness can change my mind.
Yes,
Yeah.
maybe.
Maybe
That
it might.
bike is
It
good.
might.
Maybe not.
It might.
No, that bike is good.
I feel
Let's
it
see.
might.
As per Rakesh, I feel that will be good because he is
It is
hyping
good.
it too much.
It is good.
Bro, same. Even
Exhaust
I feel
note is good. Engine Honda, you know.
Yeah, Honda
Refined.
गाड़ी.
Refinement.
गाड़ी Honda.
ये गाड़ी भी Honda है देखो. So we know how the Honda engines are. मैंने बाइक चलाई है, अमोने भी चलाई है.
true. I have
Honda
already
is-
done a video on it as well.
Yes, the thumb is good. Riding posture.
Very easy to ride that
very
bike.
easy to ride.
Light, maneuverable, very.
So वो भी एक बाइक लिस्ट में है. So total 4 bikes will be there in the list.
So another topic is Rakesh, Gorilla 450. Hunter तो out of question है
Okay.
because there are a few things which we don't like. एक है उसका suspension that is too bouncy.
No, not
And
too bouncy. It is stiff.
Sorry, it is stiff. And second is उसका riding position is too committed.
Yeah.
And I feel
It is weird. Like handlebar is too far.
Yeah, I feel Hunter से ज़्यादा speed is a bit better
Speed or Hunter.
because
Comparison ना रे bro.
हाँ, so Hunter the out of Gorilla. We have not ridden
Gorilla
Gorilla
and
see,
Meteor.
Gorilla-
Meteor 650.
No,
Super
650
Meteor.
is too much for you.
Super Meteor.
For
No,
daily
no, no.
use, it is too
Yeah,
much
yeah,
for
for
you.
daily
It
use
is a
actually-
good bike. I have ridden that bike and it is very flickable. ऐसा मतलब हार्ली जैसा straight जाना नहीं है. It is very flickable. It takes corners and all very well.
See,
But
about the Gorilla, it will be much more like handling wise, it will be much more better than the Speed. Okay, which I feel because it has a wider tire. It has got the Showa suspension also.
I feel I won't comment much on Gorilla. That's because 450 Himalayan, the same engine, I have ridden it a lot, and I feel a smaller package that is a Gorilla would be really good for that bike. But I'm holding my thoughts on it with fully because I have not ridden the motorcycle. So after riding it, I maybe can give you a better opinion. Rakesh, on to you.
See, like अभी जो चल रहा है रॉयल एनफील्ड का प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं मोटरसाइकिल में. किसी का चेसी टूट रहा है, ये वो, किसी का वो लाइक द टॉगल रे
The toggle switch.
या दैट इज नॉट वर्किंग.
But they have changed it now. Toggle switch.
ये छोटे छोटे लाइक इश्यूज आते रहते हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड में. सो आई विल नेवर गो फॉर द रॉयल एनफील्ड. लाइक या
Stocks down.
Stocks
Royal
down
Enfield.
Royal Enfield.
engine is really good, but that
The 450, and again that Showa suspension up front would be
and
a
Gorilla
game
will
changer.
be Gorilla will be much more lighter than the Himalayan
450,
obviously. So it will be more fun to ride Musha. So compared to Speed 400, I would choose Speed 400 any day because it is very premium.
Bro, you're saying this before riding the Gorilla though.
किधे ते bobber रे bro.
Arey, you are
42.
this
bro.
guy is stuck on the
Bobber.
Java 42.
But for his use case, it is actually good. Bro.
Yeah, it is actually
दहा
good.
20 किलोमीटर
दिसता रे
दिसा.
bike.
अरे तेका तीच आवडला ब्रो, तेका
Yeah.
घेऊन तीच.
Highness, let's just test drive it at least.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll end this vlog.
Yeah. This vlog राकेश का तो यहाँ पे end होता है.
Yes.
My vlog will continue on my
If you
channel.
want to see the Honda Highness video, further वाला video आपको देखना है, vlog देखना है तो please
मेरा
go
channel पे है
and
ना?
watch his video on his channel. So मेरा video यहाँ तक end होगा. So please do comment down below if you were in place of Mayuresh, आप कौन सा bike choose करते and why. So do let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.